For this video, we are going to partition to double. So we're going to start off with our question, which is going to be double 17. And the way to find this answer is going to be using partitioning, which is separating the number into its tens and ones. So I'm going to start by putting 17 here. And 17 is made up of 7 and 10. That's how it's going to make 17. And to practice doubling, you're going to use the number that it is the actual number rather than what it's representing. So double 7, or 7 times 2, is going to be 14. And then double 10 is 20. And if you add it together, 20 plus 14 is 34. So using partitioning, double 17 is 34.